Added some requests to show how this darn thing is made. It's the gantry. It's a piece of plywood with angles cut on the end, and I reinforced it with angle iron. It's my Z-axis. Had a problem, if you see on the left side there, that plastic wanted to flex back and forth. So I just put a block of wood in there with the hacksaw, slice through it, and that holds it pretty sturdy. So there's not a whole lot of give in that. This is what drives it. That sucker's pretty small. Let's see the size of my finger compared to that. Alright, and down below here, the guts of this thing are, it's a scanner. You can see my stop switch there for the scanner bed. Alright, we got a switch up here. Got another one over there. That's my Z-axis. And I'm going to do a little checking here. I was going to see how flat my bed is, so we're going to run it back and forth. There's the other stop switch. And again, using the technique of using a hacksaw and a block of wood to connect the bottom to the top. Works pretty good. Arduino Uno and a GRBL shield. Of course, I got associated wiring going all over the place. A power supply that I can dial into whatever. Eventually, I'll replace that with an ATX power supply. And then my good old Linux laptop that I can use it to run back and forth and load G-code. So, wanted to see if my bed was level. So I attached a dial indicator to the front of it. Kind of lifted up the pan there. And I'm going to zero this bad boy out to that. All right. And I figured out it was about 245 millimeters to go from one side to the other. So we're full left. We got the switch triggered on this side. Full left. I'm going to run it the other direction. And we'll just see what kind of a variance there is. And you can give me your feedback on what you think. Okay, so we started out on 0, and well, if I lean on it, it throws it way off too. So it was right around 9 thousandths difference from one side to the other. I could probably put a shim underneath there, but as soon as I bring it back, right about there, it comes back to 0. So I think there's just a low spot on the edge. I don't know if that's real critical. Okay, I'm going to pause it. Okay, I've zeroed it out. Now we're going to look at the table travel in the other direction and see what happens. Got about 270 steps or 270 millimeters travel on this axis. So there we have it. All in all, probably about 5 thousandths off on that axis, on the x-axis.